One of my best tips that I could offer you is make sure when you're taking off on that wave, even if it's steep, arch your back. The bigger the arch, the better it's gonna be. You're not gonna pearl dive. You don't wanna pearl dive. That's when the nose pokes and you go head over heels into the water, but it's okay because it's just water. But we don't wanna do that. We wanna get that nice big arch going. We wanna get them popping up, staying low, and eyes on the target. And that is the ideal stance for surfing right here.